Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is a Friday, no it's not, it's Saturday the 26th, so that's Boxing Day here in the UK, and I have never followed with the tradition of sowing your onions or your leeks on Boxing Day before. So I have a number of little seed trays with little propagator lids. This is actually from a heated propagator tray that I've got that I use in the house, but I'm not going to be using that to actually start the leeks and the onions off. I'm just going to be putting them in this little propagator and then leaving them on a windowsill inside. So this is actually going to be my second lot of winter sowed onions that I've done already this year. So on the 7th of December I put some red onions in. These are Red Baron, and as you can see they've germinated really nicely. I left them inside for about a week and they germinated, and then I brought them back outside. But to be honest, I left them on the step outside, and we've had really cold weather and they've actually done all right, so I'm pretty pleased with that. I also sowed some Elsa Craig onions, and as you can see they're a little bit slower to get going, but they've also done really well, and they've been left out as well without even being hardened off. So yeah, they've done well. And then the first lot that I had that germinated were the batten, which are like the Welsh onions, and as you can see they've grown so quickly. So these ones here went into my propagator outside about a week ago, but they were already like this. These were the first ones to get going. So today what I'm going to be sowing is I've got some more Elsa Craig onions. Okay, so these ones will be going in, a couple of these. I've also got some Musselburgh leeks. I've never successfully grown leeks before. I've got some leeks growing at my allotment at the moment, but they got kind of nibbled by things. So this is going to hopefully be like the first you know, lot of onions that I'll be able to harvest next year. And I've also got oh, that's Musselburgh, sorry. This one is Lion. So this is the next lot, and these have actually been sown before, so maybe these are the ones that I've got down at my allotment. These are just ones from my seed stash. There's no particular reason why I chose these varieties. However, I think Musselburgh is one of those kind of ones that grow really big, and they're a kind of good go-to variety. So the medium that I'm going to be sowing these in today is, I've got a mix, as you can see here. On the left hand side I've got a mix of compost and topsoil that I used for my growing my Christmas potatoes that were tasted really lovely on my Christmas dinner. So that was from a pot just down there. So that's a really good mix, and because it's got the topsoil in as well, has all those you know, all of the bacteria and stuff in that will help those onions get a really good head start. Then I've got a little bit of peat-free compost just to sprinkle over the top of the seeds to help them kind of get through quite easy when they germinate. But that's about it really. We're going to turn the camera around and get on with this now. So hopefully I can get this done really quickly because it keeps raining out here and I want to get the video out. I planned to do this really early this morning, but that has not happened. But we've had a really lazy day here, which has been really nice. Christmas is always quite manic, isn't it? And it's just been really nice to kind of just have like a chilled out day today. But anyway, enough of me talking. Let's spin the camera around and get these ones sown. The onions and leeks have now been sown. I did have 7 of these little trays, but I actually only filled 5 in the end. I've got 2 lots of the Elsa Craig onions with about 200 seeds in each one of these, so we'll see how they germinate. I've got 1 tray of the Lion because there was hardly any seeds in there, and I've only got 2 trays of the Musselburgh as well, because those leeks, I didn't realise they'd already been opened and quite a few of them had already been sown. So what I'm going to do with these now is just take them inside to one of the coolest rooms that I've got in my house, let them germinate, or spend about a week in there, and hopefully by which time they'll show signs of germination. And then these will be put out into my cold frames, or maybe even taken down to the polytunnel. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If this is the first time you're watching, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of all of my latest videos. If you're also growing some sowing some onions or leeks today, please let me know, and any tips, please leave them down below as a comment. That would be lovely, and I will catch up with you in the next episode. Bye.